400. 300. Minimum 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
We are down. That was close.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Gatwick with a local time is just approaching 10:40, making us approximately 20 minutes ahead of schedule. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain switches off the fasten seatbelt sign. This is important as you may need to stop suddenly more than once when taxiing to the terminal building. When you do leave the aircraft, we ask you to take all your personal belongings with you. Check it inside seat pockets, surrounding floor areas and in your overhead lockers. Do take care when you open the lockers in case anything has moved during the flight and could fall out. And smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. All of your devices for calls, messaging and internet access may now be used. On behalf of the captain and this Gatwick-based crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with Easyjet today. We do realise you have a choice of airline and we'd like to thank you for making Easyjet your choice. We'll now be handing over to the ground agents here in Gatwick. Should you need anything further from us inside the terminal, then please don't hesitate to contact one of them. Once again, thank you and good night.